Hey Teresa, you asked how do I do that hyperlink thing that I did in my test and if it was easy to do. And you got my juices flowing, got me excited because I got to be able to teach somebody something. So I'm going to take like 2 minutes really quick and teach you how to do this in Google Docs. You see, or excuse me, Google Slides. And by the way, you could do this as well in PowerPoint. The one thing you have to keep in mind is if you do it in PowerPoint and then you move over to Google Slides, it could there could be some issues with the hyperlinks and animation, so you'd have to just go back and test them, that type of thing. So I'm going to do it in Google Slides for you so you can see how it's done. And again, like I said, you can do it in PowerPoint, but I'm going to do it here because most people are using Google Slides. It's easy to work with, whatnot. So I went in and created my presentation, and you'll notice that I have 4 slides here, and there they all are, right? And the intent is that what I want to do is it says click on the true superhero. And by the way, I'm just going to say this real quick. It's kind of a duh, but you know, if somebody could say, it might be Superman, but that's, you know, okay, that's your choice. But the way it works is basically you import the pictures or the words or whatever you want into these, you know, these boxes, these text boxes. And then this is where the hyperlink piece comes into it. So you would right click on the text box and you go to hyperlink here. And when you click on link, you'll notice that it allows you to either link to like a website or slides in this presentation. So you click on that, and here's the beauty. It could be next slide, it could be previous slide, it could be first slide, last slide, or you can pick a particular slide. Now, one of the things I like about picking a particular slide is that if you add more slides to this presentation, it will go to the slide. You know, for instance, if you click next slide as an example, and then you add a slide that's, you know, in between 2 and 3 right here, right? Then what it'll do is it'll mess with all your links. So I think it's best instead of next or first or previous to pick the actual slide that you want it to go to. So in this case, I'm going to have it go to slide 1. Okay, and it's going to be apply. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, link, slides in presentation. I'm going to go slide 4. You can't quite see it below, but yeah. Okay, apply. And then what we're going to do is we're going to test it out. So we are going to do present. And if in theory, if this works, there you go, slide 1. And then slide 2. Okay. Now, what I want you to note is that, so like in slide 1, if I pick slide 1, I would have a link in here somewhere that actually said go back or go forward. And then you would do the same thing there. You would hyperlink it to the slide that goes to the next part of the test. Okay. So fairly straightforward and fairly easy. Yes, I liked it. The embedding part was a little bit difficult in Canvas. Once I learned how to do the HTML piece, and Canvas didn't let me embed, I can't speak for how it would work in Moodle, but hey, it's definitely worth looking at and trying and see if it works for you. All right, on that note, there you go. I hope everybody can use this. Have fun.